Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tab group with Google Chrome browser. To create a tab group, we need to click here, and here we have this tab group. So I'm going to click on create new tab group. Under this new tab group, I can create many tabs as I want to. So now I'm going to call that my group. You can give it a color. Maybe I'm going to use this. You can see the tagline with this tab. And if I want to add new tabs to this group, simple, I can just click here. If I click here, it's going to collapse everything, all the tabs under this group. But if I right click, so you're going to get these options, which I can add a new tab in a group just like this. I can just right click again, and also I can move group to new window if I want to. You can ungroup, you can close the group, and you can delete the group as well. So now we have 1, 2, 3 tab available with this group. And if I want to close this group, I'm going to right click and click on close group. And if I want to see that group again, so I can see all my tabs inside the tabs. I can just go with any website. So I'm going to click here, and under tab group you can see there's my group, and here I can open the group, open group in new window. I can pin group to bookmark bar. You can delete the group, and you can see all the tabs which is available under this tab, just like this. Just click on the new tab, so you can just go inside this tab to see the website. So this is how we can create a new tab group with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.